Hello, in this video I'll guide you through creating a collage-style WhatsApp status using the layout option. If you've ever wanted to share multiple photos in one clean and stylish frame, this feature makes it super easy. Let's get started. When you first open WhatsApp, you'll land on the main screen. From here, look at the bottom menu and tap on the Updates tab. This is where all your friends' statuses appear, and it's also where you can post your own. At the very top, you'll notice My Status with a plus icon. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, at the top of the screen you'll see three different buttons: Text, Layout, and Voice. Since we're making a collage, tap on Layout. To begin, I'll select 4 photos from my gallery. After choosing them, I tap the green check mark at the bottom right to proceed into the layout editor. Along the bottom you'll see multiple layout icons. Tap any icon to switch between different collage styles and pick the arrangement you like. Next, you can adjust each individual photo. If a subject looks cut off or too close, simply pinch to zoom out, or slide the photo around until the important part is centered. For example, if I have a portrait photo, I might zoom out just a bit to make sure the full face is visible instead of cropped at the edges. Once I'm happy with the 4-photo layout, I'll switch to a 5-photo layout. This adds one extra empty square. I'll tap the empty space and select another photo to complete the collage. Now all 5 slots are filled, but sometimes the arrangement doesn't look perfect on the first try. This is where the drag and drop option comes in handy. Just tap and hold on a photo, then drag it to another spot in the grid to swap positions. This way, if 2 similar photos are side by side, you can separate them and create a better balance. I'll also make a few small adjustments. Once all the images are arranged, I take a final look. If something feels off, I can still change the layout style again, swap positions, or even replace a photo. When everything looks good, I tap Done. Now, WhatsApp shows a preview of the status before you share it. Here you can add text, stickers, or even draw on the collage if you want. It's completely optional, but a quick caption can make your status more fun. Next, I hit the green arrow button at the bottom right to move forward, and your collage-style status is live. Friends will now see a clean grid of photos instead of multiple separate uploads. And that's all it takes to create a collage-style status on WhatsApp. It's quick, flexible, and a great way to share multiple moments at once. Thank you for watching.